Diagonal difference. Given a square matrix, calculate the absolute difference between the sums of its diagonals. For example, the square matrix of ARR is shown below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 8, 9. The left to right diagonal, 1 plus 5 plus 9 is 15. The right to left diagonal, 3 plus 5 plus 9 is 17. The absolute difference is 2 because 17 minus 5 is 2. Function description. Complete the diagonal difference function in the editor below. Diagonal difference takes the following parameter. Int ARR is an array of integers. Return int, the absolute diagonal difference. Input format. The first line contains a single integer, n, the number of rows and columns in the square matrix ARR. Each of the next n lines describes a row ARR and consists of n space separated integers ARR. Constraints. Minus 100 is less than equal to ARR, which is less than equal to 100. Output format. Return the absolute difference between the sums of the matrix two diagonals as a single integer. So sample input 3, 11, 2, 4, 4, 5, 6, 10, 8, minus 12. Sample output 15. Explanation. The primary diagonal is 11, 5 minus 12, which is 4. The secondary diagonal is 4, 5, 10, which is 19. The difference is 15 because 19 minus 4 is 15. I'm going to use Java for this problem and let's solve it. Right, so that was weird. So firstly, the function initializes two variables, L and R, to hold the sums of the matrix left and right diagonals. The for loop iterates over the rows of the matrix using the size method of the list object. For each row, it adds the element at the ith index of that row to L, and the element at the -I index of that row to R. Last but not least, the function determines and gives the absolute difference between the sums of the two diagonals.